Bagmati.
त्यहाँ फोटोमा पनि हेर्नु है, फोटोमा पनि हेर्नु। निशा फोटोमा पनि हेर्नु, निशा यता क्यामेरातिर हेर्नु, क्यामेरातिर निशा, निशा क्यामेरातिर। क्यामेरातिर, क्यामेरातिर सर्टिफिकेट लिएर क्यामेरातिर है, क्यामेरातिर जान्छ।
Moving on, now I would like to call Asanga Ma'am from Bishram Foundation, our award sponsor for first runner-up prize distribution. Along with our special guest, Balgopal Saukala, Assistant Coach, Nepal National Triple Men's Team. And our first runner-up team is Team Bagmati. Everyone, can you please give a round of applause for Team Bagmati?
नाम बिग्रेछ कि कतै बस्नु पर्छ नाम आफै लेख्नु त।
Please give a round of applause for Team Bagmati. Now, further I would like to call our chief guest, Mr. Biraj Jong Sahib, ANFA Vice Chairperson and President of Kathmandu District Football Association, along with our special guest, Balgopal Saukala, Assistant Coach, Nepal National Football Men's Team, to give away the first prize to Team Karnali. Please give a round of applause for the winning team, Team Karnali.
अब लोगों को हामी साथसाथै देखाउँछौँ।